Hi. I am in my recording room right now because I am rich. JK, it's my closet. So, I came across this thing on YouTube where it said, roses are red, something, I forgot what it was. Well, my name's not Dave. This makes no sense. Microwave. So, I decided I'll make up my own. Roses are roses, violets are violets. I don't know who I am. Unicorn farts. I also read this thing on YouTube that said, 911, what's your emergency? Someone's in my house. Are you in your house? Yeah. Okay, case closed. Okay, bye. Stay stale bread. Microwave.